Hey everyone, it's Jacob from MidPointe Library, and today I'm going to be talking about a brand new series of items that we're circulating in the library. They're called leisure kits, and there are a whole bunch of things that maybe you would like to do, maybe you've always wanted to try. We have steel drums, different instruments, ukuleles. If you like lawn sports, you're just trying to find something to do over the weekend, instead of having to go out and buy them, you can come to the library, check them out, and start to knock off some new experiences you may have been looking to try. The first one I'm going to be talking about is going to be this leisure kit. It is for bird watching, and it's super cool because bird watching was something that I have some friends that are very into, but I've never really tried myself, and a part of that is because I don't know where to start. If you're in a similar boat, or if you're just looking for something to do with the family over the weekend and going out to the park, you want to take a hike, but you need, hey, maybe we can learn something while we do it, this kit's going to have everything you need. So when you go to the library, you can check them out. Almost all of them are inside of boxes like these, and inside you get a whole bunch of cool stuff. In the bird watching kit, you're going to get a whole bunch of binoculars. This one has 4 binoculars in total, and some different guides. This one is the Birds of Ohio Field Guide. If you're looking for other books that are also about birding, if you want to continue on after you pick this up, you can find those books in the 598.072, really the 598 section of nonfiction. We have in the MidPointe Library catalog books for bird watching for both juveniles and for young adults and adults. It just depends on what you're looking for. Once you get into these, I think these are awesome. You can open them up. You'll get some cool binoculars, pop off the cap, and I tried these out. They work super well. I felt a little bit creepy because I was working in the library trying to find stuff to look at, so I wasn't looking at people. But you can adjust them, see through, and then there's also ways and sliders on top so that you can adjust the focus to make sure that no matter how far away, you can really zoom in on a bird that you're trying to see. If you're looking for a new hobby, this is a great way to pick it up, see if it's something that interests you, and down the line you can maybe invest more money if you're interested, or just continue coming back to the library, checking out a kit like this, and find something cool and new to do. If you do not have a large group of people, but you're still interested in the bird watching, we also have a different leisure kit that is just one set of binoculars and one of the field guides to help you look around. So depending on your needs, we've got you covered. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and definitely come in, check out the leisure kits, and try a new skill, pick up a new hobby. Thanks.